Hi everybody, my name is Nandaraj Naik and I'm a student at Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatoda. I would like to present to you all my topic on Bernoulli's theorem and its application in industry. Let me give you a brief introduction on Daniel Bernoulli. Daniel Bernoulli was a Dutch-born member of the Swiss mathematical family. His most important work considered the basic properties of fluid flow, pressure, density, and velocity, and he gave the Bernoulli principle. Bernoulli's theorem, also known as Bernoulli's principle, it states that an increase in speed of moving air or a flowing fluid is accompanied by a decrease in the air or fluid's pressure. Below is the picture of the book Hydrodynamica presented by Daniel Bernoulli in 1738. A section of pipe shown above. For this, Bernoulli's equation can be written as P1 plus half rho, that is the density, into V1 square plus rho into G into H1, which equals to P2 plus half rho into V2 square plus rho into G into H2, where P is the static pressure of fluid, rho is the density of flowing fluid, G is the acceleration due to gravity, V is the mean velocity of fluid flow, and H is the elevation head of center of cross section with respect to its datum. Bernoulli's principle is applied in various industries like racing industry, pump industry, aircraft industry, and agriculture industry. Application of spoilers. A race car employs Bernoulli's principle to keep its rear wheels on the ground and at all times while traveling at high speeds. A race car spoiler shaped like an upside down wing with curved surface at the bottom produces a net downward force, thus keeping the car to the ground. Application in pump industries. Volute in casing of centrifugal pumps converts velocity of fluid into pressure energy by increasing area of the flow. The conversion of kinematic energy into pressure is according to Bernoulli's equation. And the wing of airplane has this design called aerofoil. When the aeroplane moves forward, some of the air goes down while some of the air goes up and go down again and join back here. Air here on upper region moves faster and therefore the pressure is low. Down here air moves slower, therefore higher pressure. This higher pressure will produce a force to push the aeroplane upwards, and this is how it works. Insecticide spray, which is used in agriculture industry. So in this, when you push the plunger, the air moves faster and reduce the pressure, and the higher atmospheric pressure will push the liquid to go up. So that's the point. Thank you.